Hi guys, this is Keisha here on Keisha Knows, and this is my Lazy Girls DIY Easter wreath. So here I have a styrofoam wreath, and here is some decorative mesh. I got 2 spools of this. I have it in this pink color, and I also got it in white. And this mesh did go a long way. It has these metallic like ribbons intertwined in it, so it makes it really nice and makes it pop a little bit. And like I said, this went a long way. I only ended up using the pink though, but you guys will see that later. I also picked up these bunny glasses, and these also come in pink, but I went with the white just so it can contrast against the pink mesh that I have. And then I picked up some eggs. Of course, they have lots of eggs at Dollar Tree right now. I went with these gold ones. I bought 2 packs of these. And I also picked up a pack of these pink woven twine eggs. I did not use them on the stick. I actually removed them from the stick, and you'll see that here in a little bit. And all of this costs $1.25, so it's super affordable. Ignore the movement of the camera. That's just the camera moving on my light above me. Don't worry, your eyes are not playing tricks on you. But it's just going to be really simple. All you need is maybe some scissors and a hot glue gun if you have it. And that's pretty much it. I also picked up some other items from Valentine's Day that I had in my office. So you'll see that later. But for the most part, I'm just using what I purchased for Easter. So I'm just taking the mesh and wrapping it around the wreath. I am going to use this whole roll of mesh, so I just wanted to cover up as much of the green as I could. Now I'm taking my hot glue gun and just making a little bead of glue on the wreath to secure the mesh down. So there's other ways that you can go about wrapping your wreath up, more decorative ways than this. But this, like I said, is kind of a lazy girl's way of doing it. I just wanted to cover up the green. So please go to Pinterest and look for better ways, because I know there are, but I just did not go that route. So now I'm just removing some excess of the mesh, and I'll be going in now and moving on to gluing on my bunny ears. Now I did contemplate leaving them on as glasses because I think that's really, really cute, but I decided not to go that route. It was pretty simple to remove the ears from the glasses. Just cut them off, and for the most part they maintained their shape and they did not fall apart in any way. So these were really, really simple to remove. Then I decided on where I wanted to place them. Put a good amount, a very, very generous amount of glue on my wreath and on the ears, and placed my ears kind of to the side of the wreath because I know I'm going to hang this up and I don't want to place it right square in the middle because that just wasn't the look that I was going for. Now I am taking my eggs, and these ones that had the twine wrapped around them were kind of difficult to remove the sticks, but I got them out. I kind of wish I would have done a different layout for my eggs. I wish I would have halved them vertically. Not necessarily where horizontally where they naturally are split open. I kind of wish I would have had them not split, pre-split, and then I could split them vertically because that way they would have been halved and I think they would have been better proportioned for the wreath. I know, I'm just saying too much right now, but in my opinion, I think that would have looked better. Or maybe just put less eggs. I don't know, maybe more eggs. You guys, it turned out fine. I'm just saying I can't help but pick apart my design a little bit. I just want to say, you guys, if you are considering doing this, try to play around with some ideas for the eggs. Like I said, I kind of wish I would have done something different, but it didn't turn out bad, you guys. Not bad at all. This was actually really fun to do and a great way to clear my head and just relax and have fun. So these are some leftover hearts from Valentine's Day. I did pick this up from Dollar Tree. I just had them sitting in my office and I felt like I needed a little more color, a little more vibrancy, just some extra dimension to the wreath because it was just looking a little meh, not bad, just not as vibrant as I kind of wanted it to look and playful. So you obviously do not need to do this step if you do not have, random hearts for decor laying around. But yeah, this is kind of the benefit of doing things like this is sometimes you have leftover stuff. So now I'm just removing some of the eggs. I only remove like 2 or 3 to place the hearts on them instead, just because I felt like it would look a little bit better and it wouldn't be so crowded and weird looking with the eggs. So this is the final look, you guys. I think it turned out pretty good, if I should say so myself. Make sure you subscribe and also make sure you thumbs up the video because I would appreciate it so much. And I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.